Hey everyone, this is Tim from Use LAN Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you cannot download a PS4 game. So what we want to do is go on over to the library, and you can see a lot of these games have lock symbols next to it. So there is an issue with my licenses on my account, but I should be able to go to just where it says purchased right here, and then go to the right and download a game. So if you can't download the game because there is like a lock symbol or something like that, we want to go up to the top and then go to settings, and then go to account management, and then go to where it says restore licenses, and just go to this option right here. And it's going to download these from the internet, and it might take you like a couple minutes to go ahead and just do all these. But this should fix the lock symbols next to it, and then you should be able to download it. So just give us some time to go ahead and finish. Now another thing that you'll want to do is activate your PS4 as primary. So we can go back under the screen and activate your primary PS4 right here. This will allow you to play offline. It will share PlayStation Plus with all other accounts on your PS4 and your games. So do that, and then you should be able to go back to your games, and you should be able to play them now. So you can see there's no lock symbols here, and then all my purchased games should be displaying right here, and I should be able to download them now. So let's just download a game, for example. Here's Among Us, and then I can go to it, and then I should be able to download it. And this is going to be sent to my notifications area where my downloads are. Now, if it's not downloading initially and it's not going to your downloads folder, there could be an issue with your PlayStation Plus account or your network settings. So it should be in here, and you should be able to just go to X on it and then pause it. And usually when I pause it and resume it, it starts working. If you want to go quicker, close all the games on your PlayStation. Make sure there's nothing open. When you have a game open, it makes your download slower. So if you're not logged into PlayStation Plus, or maybe there's an account issue, go to account management and then sign out and sign back in with your email address and password. And sometimes that will sync your profile with the PlayStation network, and that could be causing an issue too. Then we can go over to network right here and just view your connection status, view the status of PlayStation Network. Make sure this is not down too, and make sure you are connected. If you're not connected, that is probably the reason why it's not downloading, because you have no internet connection. So if none of this works, none of this loads, well, that's the issue. So you can just go through set up internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or whatever you're using. So let's just use this. Go to custom, and then choose your Wi-Fi under here. So I'm just going to use Scump. And then once I'm in here, I can try putting in a manual DNS. So let's go to automatic, do not specify, and let's go to manual right here. And then let's just type in 1.1.1.1, go to the secondary, type in 1.0.0.1, and then go to the next, and go to automatic for the MTU, and then do not use for that, and then go to test internet connection. See if this connects now. And then if this doesn't work, the last thing we want to try is going to the safe mode and rebuilding the database. If there's any kind of corrupted data, that should fix it. So let's hold down the PlayStation button, and then go to turn off PS4. Now, when this turns off, what we want to do is hold down the power button. So let's go to this. Make sure your controller is plugged in with a USB cable, just like this, so we can operate the safe mode menu. And wait for this to stop blinking right here. So when this stops blinking, we can launch into the safe mode menu. So make sure it's not in rest mode. And then go and hold it, and you're going to hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep like 10 seconds later. Let go, and then press the PlayStation button on the controller. So here's the safe mode. Let's press it. Go on down to option number 5, rebuild database, and go to OK. If you have any kind of hard drive issue, corrupted data, this should fix that issue for you. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more check out videos coming up next on Use LAN Studios.